Tarik ide full mind heart life news nam karta kan thai ide napo nartiang West Giant Hills. Admit hapo maternity and child health hospital kaba dei ka wing jongka covid wing jongka yalong o jongka Johai civil hospital yalong haka arpoi tarik u Oktober arhajar apo haka por sibeti menstep iklat no pat haka arpoi tarik u Oktober arhajar apo haka por khat arpo mensngi. Kadahau juga jingklat ini dan the cause of death ki ai cardiopulmonary arrest with COVID-19 with acute respiratory distress syndrome with type 1 respiratory failure. Kebilong jing bring up kalong ni East Coast Hills South Rail iway naki armed forces paramilitary forces are naki police some returnees are kusan gidi ki high risk cases iway de na Gulf Link cluster iway na Jiao cluster iway na Mopat cluster are na Mopram cluster nong mensong cluster are penthorba cluster lai renjak cluster iway but umlingka cluster are or riboy arf kundai mut poro kini gide ki high risk. West Garo Hills khat are sun gide na ki armed forces paramilitary forces high risk south ILIKs are but returning away. South Garo Hills new health workers are but high risk some. West Giant Hills are high risk away but formula screening for West Giant Hills ni lap away. North Garo Hills away ini di returning. South West Khasi Hills away di police personnel. West Khasi Hills away ni di nako di police. The breakup of the 99